A day in my life. Today is Saturday. If I'm not mistaken, it was around 6 in the morning when I woke up. And my children are still asleep. When I'm not doing anything, I am reading a book or I write lectures on my subjects. Because this is all my hobbies at home when I have nothing to do. But apart from this, I also do the housework and also bonding with my family together. Yes, it's hard to be mother while studying. But every time I see the smiles of my children's faces, all my tiredness disappears. So for my family, I will try to finish in studying and to prove that I can keep up with my studies.